Discover how to insulate prefabricated timber and metal frames with blown glass wool. The Supafil Max frame system is the solution that fits all your needs. It's composed of the bale feeder, the blowing machine, the filling plate, as well as glass wool in a 174 kilogram big bale. Its highly compressed packaging is ideal for transportation and warehousing. It's lightweight, has excellent thermal properties and a high acoustic performance. It doesn't settle over time, is water repellent, and has excellent fire properties. You only need a single operator. After loading the glass wool into the bale feeder, Robert cuts the straps and removes all loose packaging. The filling plate is positioned correctly so the cavity is covered. Robert adapts the parameters to the frame and starts the machine. All cavities are filled automatically to the correct density. Even difficult angles are perfectly filled. The modular system is designed to easily integrate into your production line. Varying degrees of automation are available. It's easy to use, fast, accurate, respects the environment, and all regulations. It saves you time and money. Try it out yourself at the Experience Centre in Belgium. Supafil Max, the solution for factory-built frames. Contact us at supafil.com.